In today's digital age, having a website is simply not enough. With billions of websites vying for attention, it's crucial to make yours stand out from the crowd. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. SEO is the art and science of making your website more visible in search engine results pages, often abbreviated as SERPs, like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Think of it this way. When someone searches for something online, search engines act like librarians, sifting through a vast library of websites to deliver the most relevant and authoritative results. SEO is about making sure your website is at the top of that list, attracting more organic traffic and potential customers. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to master the fundamentals of SEO, from understanding how search engines work to optimizing your website for maximum visibility. We'll delve into the intricacies of keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page strategies, and the importance of tracking your progress. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to boost your website's ranking and drive organic traffic, ultimately leading to increased brand awareness, leads, and sales. So, let's embark on this journey to unlock the secrets of SEO and propel your website to new heights. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of SEO, it's essential to grasp the fundamental force behind search engine rankings algorithms. Search engine algorithms are complex sets of rules and calculations that determine the order in which websites appear in search results for specific queries. These algorithms are constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated, taking into account hundreds of factors to deliver the most relevant and valuable results to users. While the exact workings of these algorithms remain a closely guarded secret, understanding their core principles is key to successful SEO. One of the primary goals of search engines is to provide users with the most relevant and high-quality content for their search queries. This means your website's content needs to be well-written, informative, and tailored to your target audience's needs. Furthermore, algorithms consider factors like website authority, user experience, and backlinks to assess the credibility and trustworthiness of a website. By focusing on these core principles, you can align your SEO strategy with the ever-evolving nature of search engine algorithms. Keywords are the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. They are the terms and phrases people use to search for information online, and they act as bridges connecting your website with your target audience. Effective keyword research is about identifying the most relevant and valuable keywords for your website and incorporating them strategically into your content. The first step is to brainstorm a list of topics related to your business, products, or services. Once you have a list of topics, you can use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify relevant keywords and phrases people are searching for. When choosing keywords, it's important to consider factors like search volume, which is how often a keyword is searched, competition, or how difficult it is to rank for a keyword, and relevance, meaning how closely the keyword aligns with your content and target audience. Aim for a mix of high-volume, competitive keywords and lower-volume, long-tail keywords, which are longer, more specific phrases to attract a wider range of traffic. Once you've identified your target keywords, it's time to optimize your website's content and technical elements to make it more visible to search engines. This is where on-page SEO comes in, focusing on optimizing various elements on your website to improve its ranking for specific keywords. One of the most critical aspects of on-page SEO is optimizing your title tags and meta descriptions. Title tags are concise and descriptive titles that appear in search results and browser tabs, while meta descriptions are brief summaries that provide additional context about your page. These elements should include your target keywords and accurately reflect the content of your page to entice users to click through. Additionally, Ensure your website's content is well structured, using headings, subheadings, and bullet points to improve readability and make it easier for search engines to understand the hierarchy and relevance of your content. Don't forget to optimize your images with descriptive alt text, which not only helps visually impaired users, but also provides search engines with context about your images. By meticulously optimizing these on-page elements, you can significantly enhance your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic.